Today's video is gonna be about the monthly pages of the Hobonichi weeks, this one, and I will be using the kit January Geometric for Hobonichi weeks. It has 2 pages. This is the second page. Look at that. It looks exactly the same. No, hang on. This is the first time we will be releasing for the January up until I think first half of the year, because last time we only came out with the monthlies in June, July, if I remember correctly. So if you want to see how the page will look like, make sure to stay until the end of the video. So let's get right to it. Right, so the first thing that I will show you is that this planner is a Strawberry Latte Hobonichi Mega Weeks for 2019. This is the January start. There is also a version of the Hobonichi Weeks that starts in spring, but this is the one that starts in January. And I will be using this kit, so let me go ahead and show you what the kit looks like first. So we have this first page, and it has the bar for the side of the page, and then the days of the week, and then the strips for the dates, and then you have the boxes that will go all over the place, anywhere you like. And then we have the second page. So this is the bottom bars. You get 2, one left, one right, and then you have a few bill dues, and then you have the script right there that says payday, out of town, several paydays, several out of towns, and then you have deadlines, happy birthday, happy day, 2 happy birthdays, and a happy mail. I know there's not enough happy mail here, but I'm sure you could also use a lot of like Hawaii stickers, like character stickers, if you would like. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by pulling this out of the page. Ugh. This is in our photo white paper. That is our glossy white paper. We also have a glossy cream as well as a matte white. So glossy white or photo white is what I recommend for the kits that are photo kits, because it is made for to have the most impact. Unfortunately, this is not fountain pen friendly. So if you do use a fountain pen, this is not the one for you. So I'm going to use the day stickers or day strips. And I'm going to use this up at the top. So I just cover that up. There you go. And then I'm going to do the other side. So if you're using ballpoint or gel pens, the photo white as well as the matte white is okay. If you hear noises, that is my printer. I am printing inserts for myself because I will be using a personal rings as well for my project pages and daily health things that I can track. Here you go. So here is an example of what you will do for the date strips. So I'm just going to go down these rows. So here's 7. So you cover it up. Just align it to that dark line. And here you are. Yay! And then next. Ta-da! Next. Then, so it's gonna take a while, as you can see, but just go slow, and whilst you're putting it down, you can think about what you're going to do for the week, or rather for the month, things that you need to put down. Like for example, it's my brother's birthday on the 19th, it's my mom's birthday on the 21st or 22nd. And then, what else is happening? Oh, and then the last week is Javi's father's birthday. And then what else am I going to do? The semester is starting, the new semester. The second semester is starting Also, I don't know when. I think it's the middle of the month. I have to check that out as well. And then I'm supposed to be taking care of some paperwork on the 15th. Well, I was gonna go somewhere out of town on the 15th, but I scrapped that and I have to arrange another schedule because some things were delayed. Some things that I needed were very, very much delayed, and so that's what's gonna happen. Then I have a new job that I need to take care of, and I can't wait to start that new job. But that job won't happen until mid-year, mid-2019, I believe. But the requirements are brutal. Well, they're not brutal, they're just long. So I have to fix that as well. So there you go. So while you're putting it down, you can think about what you're going to write down. That's really good. Very therapeutic, because you're calm and you're forced to think about it and all the ideas. And then, after you're done decorating the page with all the foundation stickers, then you can go ahead and write it down. So very good me time, actually. If you would like, I really like monthly planning because that is the slowest I go. Weekly planning, that's usually relatively quicker. By relatively quicker, I mean quite quick because I'm so used to it. I have general idea of what I'm going to plan, what I'm going to do for the week. But for monthly planning, because it's an entire month, I usually go slower because I might miss stuff. Not very good at that. I'm usually a week per week girl. So there you are. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna put a box here because that's a day so I'm gonna take one of the boxes. So this is a single box. The January comes with 4 single boxes that you can put anywhere you would like. Here I am putting it on the days where there's where there's no dates, because this is still December 31st and this is New Year. I'm gonna say happy day. Where's that? Happy day. Because that's New Year. Ta-da! And then I'm gonna put down because I'm already here, some happy birthdays for my mom and my brother. I think it's 21. I have to check. I know. Why don't you know? I know, right? Also, I'm numbers dyslexic, by the way. Did you know that? Does it show? Out of town, I'm not sure yet. So deadlines, I'm not sure yet. Definitely bill juice. Shopify has been billing really early. We are quite surprised. So, okay. Shopify should be billing here. And then I have, because this is my home planner, I have to put down some bills. I have a bill due coming first week for the house. And I think I have two more, but I don't know when that will be. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull this large box. So this is for 3 boxes. And this is going to go here to cover all the days that do not have numbers, that are not belonging to January. And that is us finished. So cool. Look at that. So chic, actually. And this is what it looks like. Let's go up close. Woohoo! Look at how pretty. I'm so happy. This makes me happy. Ta-da! I'm not sure if it's very effective if I show you really that up close. So maybe like this. So that's it. These are my empties. Well, this is definitely not, you still have a few stickers here that you can use for the rest of the month. I usually save these, the monthly kits. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. These are not real empties. I'm going to put it here. There you go. And where's that? There we go. So that is us for today. Next time I will be doing this page. So if you don't know already, this is a Hobonichi Mega Weeks, and the second half of this I am using as a shop planner. So it's 2 weeks in one. This is my calendar, and then this is last month. Ta-da! And then this is gonna be next month, and I'm gonna set up my monthly pages for January, similar to this one. So if you're curious on how to do that, you can subscribe to my channel so you will know, or rather subscribe to my channel as well as hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I post a new video. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That would help me quite a lot. Thank you so much. If you would like to be updated with anything that's going on in the shop, you can go ahead and follow us on Instagram as well as like us on Facebook, Paperjoyph for both of them. And you can also join our Facebook page, Paperjoyph Planning World. And I can't wait to show you this page for our next video. So see you then. Bye bye.